In times of inflation, the value of money drops, and people often look for ways to protect and grow their wealth. If you're in the situation of wanting to safeguard your savings during uncertain times, real estate is one of the most commonly considered investment options. But here's the catch. While real estate can offer good returns, it's essential to know which types of properties are best suited to thrive during inflation. I'll walk you through the best real estate investments during inflation and how you can maximize your returns. But before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description to get the free Gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are choosing Gold IRAs to preserve their savings. It's a safe, tangible way to protect your wealth, especially during inflation. If you have 100K plus in your IRA, 401K, or even 5 MEM plus in savings, this guide is exactly what you need. Now, when it comes to real estate, let's start with rental properties. Rental properties, whether residential or commercial, are considered a strong hedge against inflation. Rent prices generally rise with inflation, meaning that the cash flow from rental properties tends to increase over time. That's why many investors love them. But it's crucial to choose the right locations. You want to invest in high-demand areas, particularly those near strong job markets, schools, and public amenities. That way, you'll ensure a consistent stream of renters and be able to adjust your rates accordingly. However, there's another real estate investment that often outperforms standard rental properties: real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without the hands-on management. They offer exposure to commercial real estate, offices, shopping centers, and industrial spaces, which typically have longer lease terms that can provide stability. REITs are a good option for retirees because they can offer consistent dividends, something that's attractive if you're looking for passive income. But keep in mind, market fluctuations still affect their performance. Another great option in the world of real estate during inflation is investing in properties with fixed-rate mortgages. This one's powerful. Why? Because when inflation rises, interest rates tend to follow suit. If you're locked into a fixed-rate mortgage, your monthly payments stay the same, even as inflation pushes prices higher. Over time, you're paying back your mortgage with money that's worth less than when you borrowed it. So you're essentially getting a great deal. Now, here's where Gold IRAs come into play. While these real estate investments are solid, I want to quickly remind you that one of the best ways to protect your wealth during inflation is through a Gold IRA. Unlike physical real estate, gold is highly liquid and historically retains its value when other assets drop. For retirees with 100K plus or 5 MEM plus in savings, a Gold IRA is a great alternative because it gives you the stability of precious metals while still growing your wealth. Next, let's talk about inflation-protected government bonds. If you're looking for a safer investment during inflation, Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, could be a good option. They adjust with inflation, meaning their value rises when inflation does. But here's the thing. While TIPS can protect your wealth, they usually don't offer the same growth potential as real estate or gold IRAs. That's why I always recommend considering real estate for growth and gold IRAs for protection. If you're interested in diversifying your portfolio and making sure your wealth stays intact during these unpredictable times, focusing on the right real estate options is essential. But remember, a gold IRA is an extremely solid choice for those who want to ensure they're doing everything possible to protect their wealth. And if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, especially if you have 100K pluses in an IRA or 401K, or up to 5 MEM plus in savings, click the first link in the description. Learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their hard-earned money from inflation. It's your best chance to safeguard your future. As inflation continues to rise, being proactive with your wealth protection strategy is crucial. Real estate can provide good returns, but when it comes to long-term security and peace of mind, gold IRAs are a fantastic option to complement your investments.